Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video. Currently working on a BMW 1 Series, which is this beast here. Came in leaking coolant everywhere, and I've had to strip it down. And what I found out was it's the water pump that's gone. So you can see, if I can hold it, I don't know if I can hold it and record at the same time. Okay, first, yeah, all that shaking stuff is the bearings inside. You know, the bearings have worn. Let's see if we can get some more out. Basically, this thing is just wobbly. And it's a bit awkward trying to record with one hand, but the pulley is just wobbly around, and when you shake it, all the bearings inside just come out. So how do you get to this? First, what you need to do is remove this air filter box, which sits here. It sits on the engine like that. Then once that's out, it's just held in by these there's some rubbers here. That's what holds the air filter box. Just pop it out. Then once it's out, there's two bolts. This one, that, sorry, three bolts. This one, that one, to remove the EGR cooler, which sits in there. So if you remove those Allen, I think the Allen key bolts, which are these. So once you got that popped out, because the reason why you're taking it out is because this sits in front of the water pump, you know. So this part here sits on top of there. So the EGR cooler sits on top there, and one of the water pipes literally sit on there. So you won't be able to remove the water pump without removing the EGR cooler. Then the the water pump is held in by I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little bolts. It's 10mm bolts like these. So once that's out, but to actually get to those bolts, you will have to remove the thermostat housing, which sits on there, because otherwise, if you don't take this out, then you won't be able to access anything else. So the whole idea is just take out the EGR housing. Once that's out, thermostat housing, then you can access the bolts, and the whole thing just falls apart. And before you put it back in, just make sure that you properly clean it. And by the way, sorry, you have to first remove the belt tensioner on the auxiliary belt. I think it's a 16mm socket, so you turn it clockwise. They need to loosen up the tension. I mean, I know I should have ideated this before I started, but you know, I just thought of sharing this with you guys once I was already halfway through. I'm just waiting for some parts. So while I was twiddling my thumbs, I just figured out, why not? Anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button. You know, it's free. You don't have to pay for these videos. So, you know, it kind of keeps us motivated to make content as well, and share what we go through as mechanics. So like and subscribe and share the video. Cheers guys, catch you in a bit.